Hi everyone, I'm Anna. Welcome back to Anna's Simple English Life. Today, I'm cleaning my bathroom with you. Let's learn easy English together while I clean. This is a very peaceful and relaxing activity for me, and I hope you will feel calm too. Cleaning my home helps me to clear my mind. It is a simple way to feel happy and organized. I love sharing these quiet moments with you. I hope you can learn some new English words and phrases as we spend this time together. If you enjoy calm English videos like this, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Your support helps my channel grow, and it tells me you like this kind of content. I read all of your comments and they make me so happy. Now, let's begin our gentle cleaning session. First, I open the window. I like fresh air in the bathroom. The air feels cool and clean. It makes the small room feel much bigger and more pleasant. I can hear the birds singing outside. It is a beautiful sound. Having the window open while I clean makes the whole process feel less like a chore and more like a gentle morning ritual. The natural light comes into the room and everything looks brighter. It's a lovely way to start any task. I start by clearing the sink. This is always my first step. I put things back in their place. My toothbrush goes into its holder. My face wash goes back into the cabinet. My hairbrush is put away. I like to keep my counter space clear. It makes the room feel tidy and spacious. When there are too many things on the sink, it can feel a little bit messy. Taking just a minute to put everything away makes a big difference. The sink looks better already. It is a small change, but it feels very satisfying. Now I have a clear space to work with, and I can begin the real cleaning. It is amazing how a small action can make you feel so much more organized and prepared. Next, I clean the mirror. It has some small water spots and fingerprints on it. I use a special cloth for glass, and I spray a little bit of water on it. I don't use strong chemicals. Just water is often enough. I wipe it slowly with a cloth. I move my hand in gentle, circular motions. I start from the top and work my way down to the bottom. I take my time to make sure there are no streaks. I love seeing the smudges disappear. It is very rewarding. A clean mirror reflects the light so beautifully. Now the mirror is clean and shiny. I can see my reflection clearly. It makes the whole bathroom feel brighter and much cleaner. A shiny mirror always makes me smile. It's like the bathroom is smiling back at me. Then, I wash the sink. The sink is where I wash my hands and my face, so I like to keep it very clean. I use water and soap. I prefer to use a gentle, natural soap that smells like lavender. The scent is very calming and makes the bathroom smell wonderful. I use a soft sponge to scrub the basin. I clean carefully. I pay attention to the faucet and the handles, as these are areas we touch often. I make sure to clean around the drain too. I rinse everything with warm water. The sound of the running water is very soothing. The sink is now sparkling white. It feels good to know that it is fresh and hygienic. A clean sink is one of the most important parts of a clean bathroom. After that, I clean the toilet. This is a very important part of cleaning the bathroom. I want it to be very clean and fresh. I use a natural cleaning spray inside the bowl and on the outside surfaces. I let the cleaner sit for a few minutes. While I wait, I wipe down the tank and the lid with a clean, damp cloth. I take my time. I am very thorough. I want everything to feel fresh. Then, I use a brush to scrub the inside of the bowl. Finally, I flush the toilet, and everything is sparkling clean. A clean toilet makes the entire bathroom feel more comfortable and pleasant. It is a task that brings me a lot of peace of mind. I like knowing my home is clean and well cared for. Now, I clean the floor. The bathroom floor is quite small, so this part is quick. First, I sweep up any dust or hair. Then, I take a cloth and some warm, soapy water. I don't use a mop in this small space. I prefer to clean it by hand. I wipe it gently. I start from the corner farthest from the door and move backwards. This way, I don't step on the wet floor. The floor tiles are a light gray color, and they look so lovely when they are clean. The entire room feels complete now. The bathroom feels clean and calm. It is a wonderful feeling to stand in a freshly cleaned room. It smells so good, and everything is in its proper place. The air is fresh from the open window. Cleaning helps me relax. It is a form of meditation for me. I can focus on a simple task and let go of my worries. My mind becomes quiet. I enjoy quiet moments like this. The gentle sounds of cleaning, the water running, the cloth wiping a surface are very peaceful. It is a time for me to be alone with my thoughts and to take care of my home. My home is my sanctuary, and keeping it clean is a way of showing love for my space and for myself. These simple routines bring so much joy and peace to my daily life. I hope watching me clean has made you feel relaxed too. Here are some useful English sentences from today's video. You can practice them. I clean the bathroom. This is a simple sentence to describe the whole activity. I wipe the mirror. This is what I did to make the mirror shiny. I wash the sink. This is for cleaning the basin where we wash our hands. Try saying these sentences out loud. It is a great way to practice your English pronunciation. You can also write them down in a notebook. Thank you for cleaning with me today. I enjoyed your company very much. It feels nice to share these simple, quiet parts of my day with you. I hope you found it helpful for your English learning and that you feel a little more relaxed. Tell me in the comments, do you like cleaning your bathroom? Or maybe you have a favorite cleaning tip you would like to share. I love reading your stories and learning from you. I will be back soon with another simple English video for you. Until then, take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Bye.